it's a day for women and girls science. Uh, see much science these days. It's just like like going to say so and science is not brought up. But it's not like missing that a lot of girls who like science should do like a scientific degree. So like it's obviously a lot of science geeks out there, and but also got like other types of sciences out there. Thought. Okay, I thought I heard some um a familiar cat sound early this morning, about 6. My former original cat is me was a dad. I was stressed up, but I heard a noise this morning, and it sounded like I did him in there. It would sound just like him, like that. I can't look like I'm dead like a year, but it had this like negative sound. Anyway, I like Trey adopted cat is still around, and she's making a lot of noise sometimes. And she's a good like perfect cat. She's um have a black and white fur, and so this is one of those like tinker cats that I like. See, morning. That's today's vlog. X me out Twitter, so I'm not too social.